in a city, well, in the mountains here in Indonesia. And I'm going to show you where the Purwoceng comes from. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. Saroji. Now, he is the guy who, first let me show you, this is him, right? He's been doing this a long time. So he's the grower, the farmer of the Purwoceng. You see? It says Ginseng a la Indonesia. He's been doing this a very, very long time. So I thought I'd show you some of his credentials. This is him. He's a little older now, but this is him. So this is the Purwoceng, and now he's going to show me the land. And I came here to prove to you that I get it from the source.
Bambang Triatmojo ya.
Okay? You're really young right there. You're really young. You've been doing this a long time, long time. Okay, I'm going out there in the rain. But you know what? It's worth it. This is tough. I'm gonna step in mud. Step in. Let me see. Is that? Oh, it's not that bad. Okay. Oh man, he's stepping on what? Shit. Oh man. So here's the area where the Purwoceng grows. This is one. There's one right here. Now you can believe a lot of it. Yeah, has been. You don't have to. You want to? Okay. Yeah. Sure. I'm gonna take it out. They took out a lot already and dried it. Oh wow, amazing, right? So this is stamina. This is Indonesian Viagra, natural. It also, it boosts the testosterone for men, and it also helps women. I know that, yeah. Right, so little babies growing. I just wanted to show you this. I took this trip. I came a very long way. Can you see the mountains in the distance? Well, it's all done. Now I'm leaving the city. I got what I came for, made a great connection. I wanted to show everyone the source of where Purwoceng comes from. So I did that. And this is what I used to do many years ago. I used to travel the world for about 7 years, different cities, different countries, showing the showing the products where they come from. So you know that the source is real, it's original. I get it directly from the best source, which is the ground and the people who grow it. So anyway, off to the next city. Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you enjoyed my video on Purwoceng. I showed you the land where it comes from. I showed you us taking the Purwoceng out of the land, and I showed you the main farmer who's been in business for decades growing this Purwoceng. Purwoceng has amazing benefits for men and women. So it's gonna help you get your vitality. It's gonna give you energy. I use it when I'm in the gym. It helps me to go for hours. Help you with love making in the bedroom as well. So again, I'm on a train right now. I'm heading to the next city. So in the next city, I am going to be searching for hair. Now, I've been to this city already. But for those of you who do like hair extensions and hair bundles, that's the next destination. If you're interested in that Purwoceng, please message me, inbox me, DM me, send me an email. Peace.